Circulatory system of human body. The circulatory system consists of blood vessels, and the heart, blood. The blood is an important body fluid as it transports A. Oxygen from lungs to other cells of the body. Carbon dioxide is collected from cells and taken to the lungs. B. The digestive food or liquid food is distributed from the small intestine to the body cells. C. Waste products of the body cells are removed by the blood and taken to the kidney. A human body has 4 to 5 liters of blood in the body. It circulates through the body, distributing food, oxygen, and collecting waste. Blood is red-colored fluid. It has two parts, the liquid part and the solid part. Plasma forms the liquid part, while red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets are the three types of solid parts found in the blood. Plasma. It is yellow-colored liquid. It has water, food, wastes, enzymes dissolved in it. Red blood cells, RBCs. The disc-shaped small cells are red in color due to the presence of pigments hemoglobin. Oxygen is transported by hemoglobin to other body parts after forming a compound oxyhemoglobin with it. On reaching the cells, oxygen breaks away from the compound. The oxygen enters the cells and is used for respiration. The hemoglobin then collects carbon dioxide released during the cell's respiration. It takes carbon dioxide to the lungs to be removed. During the exchange of gases in the alveoli, hemoglobin is free to become attached to oxygen again. RBCs are produced by the bone marrows of the long bones. White blood cells, WBCs. The cells are bigger than the RBCs but fewer in number than the RBCs. Their function is to destroy all the harmful germs that enter the human body. They can pass through the blood vessels to reach the infected part and to kill the foreign bodies. Thus, they fight against the diseases and protect the body from further spread of diseases. Platelets. These are smaller than the RBC. They help in clotting of the blood if there is any cut or wound in the body. The flow of blood is blocked to the wounded part and thus prevents blood loss. A red patch or clot surrounds the wounded part till it heals. Blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries. Arteries carry blood from the heart to various parts of the body. All except pulmonary artery carry oxygenated blood. Arteries have thick elastic muscular wall. This is because they need to keep the blood flowing at high speed and pressure. Veins. Veins carry deoxygenated blood, carbon dioxide rich blood, from the body parts to the heart except pulmonary vein. Veins have thin, less elastic muscular walls as flow of blood is slow and pressure is low. Pulmonary artery takes blood from right ventricle of the heart to the lungs. Pulmonary veins bring blood from the lungs to the left auricle of the heart. Capillaries. The arteries reach the organs and spread out into thin, fine capillaries. Through the walls of the capillaries, the food and oxygen is supplied to the organs. The waste products and carbon dioxide are collected by capillaries. These capillaries carrying carbon dioxide merge to form veins after they emerge from the organs. The veins finally meet the main vein which carries the blood to the heart. The veins have valves to prevent the backflow of blood. The heart. The heart is the size of a human's fist. It is a muscular body made mainly of cardiac muscles. It is located between the two lungs but is slightly towards the left side. The function of the heart is to pump the blood to all parts of the body. It beats between 72 to 80 times per minute. It is divided into 4 chambers. Upper 2 parts are called auricles and lower 2 parts are called ventricles. Auricles are thin-walled while ventricles are thick-walled. A. The right auricle receives the carbon dioxide rich blood brought by the veins from different body parts. B. The right ventricle pumps the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. The flow of blood between right auricle and right ventricle is controlled by valves. C. The left auricle receives the oxygenated blood from the lungs. D. The left ventricle pumps the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Both auricles and ventricles have valves to control the flow of blood in one direction. The right side and the left side of the heart are separated by a muscular wall called septum. This helps the carbon-rich blood and oxygen-rich blood not to mix. The flow of blood to the heart is a continuous cycle. The heart keeps pumping blood to be distributed to all body parts.